Cut 6 pipe cleaners in half. Fold each half in half again. Bend both ends towards the center. Twist 2 loops to secure. Gently pinch, then squeeze towards the center. In total, make 12 of them. Wrap them firmly. Leaves a 3 centimeters tail. Stick it on and leave a little tail at the end. Leaves a tail about 1 knuckle length. Twist 2 loops to secure. Twist the 2 tails together. In total, make 4 of them. Assemble them together. The second layer of petals should be glued in an alternating pattern with the first layer. Then the petals as shown in the video. Then the second layer as well. Glue the sepal on. Leaves a tail about 1 knuckle length. Twist 2 loops to secure. Twist the 2 tails together. Bend the petals upwards. Glue the sepals together. Cut 1 pipe cleaner evenly into 4 sections. Secure it onto the paper cup. Continue until the entire paper cup is covered. Roll 10 pieces of tissue paper as shown in the video. Stuff them into the paper cups. Now, let's make two leaves. Tie them together with a pipe cleaner. Trim off the excess. Wrap one pipe cleaner around, your thumb in a circle. Continue wrapping the remaining parts. Leave 1 centimeter and glue it. Then attach the second one. Keep doing this until it can cover the tissues. Glue in the middle. The sunflower arrangement can be inserted now. The sunflower potted plant is done.